Our world is a place of breathtaking beauty and incredible harshness. Imagine standing on the edge of an active volcano where molten fire glows beneath your feet and the air is thick with sulfur. Yet, even here, life finds a way, clinging to scorched earth, thriving in the heat. From volcanic fire, we move to the sun-scorched desert where water is scarce and sandstorms reshape the land. Despite the brutal conditions, a secret world of life flourishes beneath the heat haze. Now to the frozen polar ice caps. A silent, majestic landscape of endless white and blue. The cold is profound, the wind relentless, and darkness can last for months. Yet seals, bears, and birds have all found ways to flourish in this icy wilderness. These extremes are the frontiers of life, where survival is a story of resilience and ingenuity. Whether in volcanic vents, deserts, or polar frost, the answer to survival is adaptability. How do these remarkable creatures not only withstand such pressures but thrive? The secret is adaptability, the engine of evolution. Adaptability is the ability of living things to adjust to their environment not by choice, but through generations of change. It's what lets fish breathe underwater, birds soar, and trees reach for sunlight. Survival isn't just about strength, it's about being responsive to change. The most adaptable, not the strongest, endure when the world shifts. Climates change, predators arrive, rivers dry up, life must change too. Adaptability is evolution in action, allowing species to keep pace with a changing world. It takes many forms: camouflage, new physical tools, or even social cooperation. Some animals develop perfect camouflage, others evolve sharper beaks or warmer coats. Sometimes the greatest adaptation is social, working together to overcome challenges. Through evolution, animals have written an epic saga of survival. Adaptability is the master key to life's diversity. It's a continuous story of innovation and adjustment. All around us, creatures have mastered the art of not being seen. The chameleon is a magician, shifting its skin from green to brown in moments, vanishing into its surroundings. This isn't just for show, it's survival, hiding from predators and sneaking up on prey. Beneath the waves, the mimic octopus takes disguise to another level, imitating venomous sea creatures to fool predators. It can flatten its body to look like a flatfish, or gather its arms to mimic a sea snake. A true shapeshifter. In the Arctic, the hare's winter coat turns pure white, blending perfectly with snow, making it nearly invisible to predators. Camouflage is a quiet but powerful adaptation, a shield woven by evolution. These animals show that sometimes the greatest skill is to hide in plain sight. Their survival is a dance of light, color, and texture. The chameleon, mimic octopus, and Arctic hare have each solved the problem of how to exist in a world full of eyes. Their skin is their shield, their invisibility cloak. Camouflage is nature's silent masterpiece. Adaptation can be as subtle as a change in color, or as dramatic as becoming another creature entirely. For many animals, adaptation is a dynamic, seasonal process. The Arctic hare's white winter coat is perfect for snow, but as the landscape turns brown and green, it sheds for a new camouflaged look. Its main predator, the Arctic fox, does the same, white in winter, brown in summer. This seasonal transformation is triggered by environmental cues like daylight, not calendars. Predator and prey are locked in an evolutionary arms race, each adapting to the shifting seasons. These changes are deeply ingrained, ensuring survival year-round. Seasonal adaptation is a reminder that survival is ongoing, not a one-time event. Flexibility is key. Animals must transform to meet new challenges. Their dual wardrobes are a brilliant solution to living in a world of extremes. Evolution's elegance is in its simplicity. Be ready for whatever comes next. To endure, one must be flexible. On the remote Galapagos Islands, Darwin discovered small birds, now called Darwin's finches, that looked similar but had different beaks. Each beak was perfectly shaped for a specific food source, thick for seeds, pointed for insects, even sharp for drinking blood. These differences revealed evolution in action, one ancestral species giving rise to many, each adapted to its own niche. Natural selection favored the best-suited beaks for each island's challenges. Over generations, small changes led to new species. The finches are a living example of adaptive radiation, one species branching into many. Their beaks are specialized tools, shaped by survival. Evolution is ongoing, constantly refining life. The Galapagos finches are a living textbook of adaptation. Adaptation isn't always individual sometimes. Survival depends on the group. Wolves are the ultimate team players. A pack is a force of nature. Their social structure is built on cooperation strategy and deep family ties. During a hunt, Wolves coordinate with precision using body language and vocalizations to outmaneuver prey. Teamwork lets them bring down animals far larger than themselves. The pack's hierarchy ensures order and efficiency, with the alpha pair leading and the whole group raising pups together. This communal life boosts survival for all. The wolf pack is more than individuals, it's a superorganism, stronger together. Their greatest adaptation is social bonds and cooperation. Sometimes the most powerful adaptation is the ability to trust and rely on one another. There is immense strength in unity. Ants may be tiny, but their colonies are marvels of cooperation and organization. A colony can have millions of ants functioning as a single superorganism. Each ant has a role. Queens lay eggs, workers forage and care for young, soldiers defend the nest. This division of labor allows the colony to thrive. Leafcutter ants are even farmers, cultivating fungus on leaves they collect. They weed, feed, and protect their crops with natural antibiotics. No single ant knows the whole plan, but together they create a highly adaptive system. Communication is key. Ants use pheromones to signal food, danger, or tasks. This decentralized system lets the colony respond quickly to change. The ant colony shows the power of unity and clear communication. Even the smallest can achieve greatness when united. Ants are masters of cooperation on an epic scale. Their success is a lesson in collective adaptability. Dolphins are among the ocean's most intelligent and social creatures. They live in pods, dynamic societies built on family ties and friendships. Within the pod, dolphins communicate, cooperate, and learn from each other. Their hunting techniques are stunning. In Florida Bay, dolphins use mud ring feeding to trap fish for the group. These strategies are learned and passed down through generations. Dolphins use clicks, whistles, and body language to coordinate and maintain social bonds. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle, like a name. The pod protects its members, even defending against sharks or helping the sick. Social care and teamwork increase survival for all. The dolphin pod is a shining example of intelligence and cooperation in adaptation. Our journey through nature reveals the power of adaptability. Animals change color, shape, tools, and societies to survive a shifting world. Their stories hold urgent lessons for us as we face climate change and global challenges. The chameleon and mimic octopus teach flexibility. The finches, the value of specialization. Wolves, ants, and dolphins show the strength of cooperation and communication. Our greatest hope lies in working together, just as animals do. Adaptability is not just biological for us, it's a conscious choice. Our ability to learn, innovate, and cooperate will determine our future. The key to survival, for every creature, is the ability to adapt. Which survivor inspires you most? The shapeshifter, the team player, or the builder? Perhaps the most adaptable is the one who learns from all.